Hey there! Are you having trouble with notifications not showing up on your Samsung phone's lock screen or home screen? Don't stress, I've got you covered with a clear guide to help you fix this issue step by step. Let's get started right away. Before we begin, there are a few things you should turn off. Airplane mode, do not disturb, power saving option. Now, let's move on to some advanced solutions. Solution 1. Enable transcoding notifications. Start by opening Settings. Scroll down to the bottom. After that, tap on Developer Options. Make sure Developer Options are turned on. Then, scroll down and find Media Transcoding Settings. Tap on it and toggle on Show Transcoding Notifications. Solution 2. Disable Hide Notification option. Open your phone settings. Scroll down. Tap on Notifications. Next, select Lock Screen Notifications. Ensure it's enabled and set to show content. Also, make sure to enable Show Content when unlocked. Scroll down a bit more and tap on Notifications to show. Set this to Alert and Silent Notifications. Solution 3. Modify Show Notification icons. Go back to the main settings page. After that, scroll down slightly to tap Notifications. Scroll down further and select Advanced Settings. Then, tap on Show Notification icons. If the setting is to set None, change it. You can choose either the 3 most recent or all notifications. For a good balance, I recommend setting it to the 3 most recent. If the issue persists, let's proceed with the next solutions. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Head to Settings again. Scroll down and select General Management. Scroll down once more. Tap Reset. Then tap on Reset All Settings. After that, tap Reset Settings. Confirm the reset by tapping Reset again. Wait for the process to finish. And that's it. This should help resolve any notification issues you're facing on your Samsung phone. If you find this guide helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up. If you have any more questions, drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for checking out this guide.